HBAR did retrace, but not losing this low is key because as long as you're above it, there's no lower lows. We've got the 20 just there, so even if we come down and tap it, we're going to pump. But it seems with today's fundamental news event, as of right this second, we are seeing pumps on some indexes like Dow or NASDAQ. So usually when these pump, cryptos pump too. That's why we're already starting to come up. This is the daily time frame, but we will zoom in now. What I would say though, you see where all these wick rejections are? This is unfortunately where we need to reclaim if you do not want to dip. Yes, I know I said we need to lose this to dip, but by being below where these wicks are, it's going to give you higher probability chances of trying to smack it down, guys, because it's not being able to push through it. So the longer we stay below this, we're going to try and aim to lose this. No loss of this means that we're going to try and head back to the heights. So that means back up to here. So with yesterday's dump, yes, that's engulfing the green, but although it's a bearish signal, are we losing the low? No. So technically that's already a higher low. Yes, we'll zoom in right now to the 15-minute time frame to look at this in a bit, look at it a bit cleaner. So I remember us last week looking at the 15-minute time frame, discussing this W pattern. I think we get giving a nice buy trade over here, and we can see that we fell back to that old. Yeah, I remember marking this out for you guys last week. It was from there somewhere to there, and then we dragged it across, and we can see that is where we came into again. I've already spoke about this in another update on another altcoin today, which I saw similar things on. I think it was Quant. Don't quote me, but yeah, on another coin today, could have been Bitcoin or ETH or Quant. Those are the only videos I've done today. But yeah, we put in that low over here, bouncing off a previous support. So without the loss of this, we're not going down. So that's why we're getting this bounce towards the 200 moving average right now. So there were some bearish candlesticks just over here. Now, the reason why we're pumping up is because of the fundamental news event, basically. So although this is a bearish candlestick, that should signal down. The fundamental news event just continued upwards and onwards. So we need to watch that out. But yeah, bullish crossover here. If we're looking for targets, so from this high over here to this low, you can see that what should have happened is actually after this retracement up into here, we should continue lower. But by putting in that higher low, break that high. Now we've started this uptrend trying to take out this high. Take out 664, and we've got 67, 68, and 688 as our next targets for HBAR. If I'm looking at this, zooming out, I'm going to measure from the top to the bottom, and I can see that I've got some confluence between the 1 and the 1272 as a key area of resistance. So yeah, those are the ones I'll be staring at on the lower time frames today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget I've got a new Twitter because my other one got blocked. If you want to message me about my course or the mentorship, they're currently discounted this week only to £100 for the course. This includes the chat, but also the mentorship is down to 500. This includes the chat and the course. If you want to message me, LouisVibes_, the link is, it's linked underneath this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.